Hi y'all, welcome to Miss PlainJains Nails Man Edition.
Boy, get out
We're
of the seat.
We're gonna transform these rusty, dusty nails.
Hi, my PlainJains, and welcome back to my channel. He wanted to be in the video so bad, so that was his debut. Anyway, let's jump into this set. We are going to be doing pop art nail designs today, and it's a very simple design. I was watching a couple of YouTube videos and I decided to just do my own thing like I usually do. So we have a plethora of colors here. The matte top coat, our detail brush, which I didn't even end up using, and our almond shaped nails. And of course we have to lay down the foundation. So we are going to start with buffing our nails with our e-file as per usual. And then we're going to buff our nails out with the nail buffer to smooth it out, then add our primer and our base coat. And I know it's been a little minute since I've been back on here, you guys. A lot has been going on, so much to the point where I am actually going to start vlogging my life. I just feel at this point, if I'm going to be making nail videos, I might as well vlog too, because it doesn't make sense to just be absent, especially when you love doing something and then, you know, you don't post for a while and it was like, what's going on with your nail videos? Blah, blah, blah. So I'm going to actually start vlogging just so you guys can see, you know, what's going on. No, I didn't forget about you guys. Life is lifing. Adulting is for the birds. So that's where I'm at right now. But yeah, we're going to add our foundation and then we're going to get into these colors. The colors I chose were neon colors, neon pink. There's a purple, orange, and blue, and neon green. I just feel as though these colors popped a lot more, especially with the designs that I've seen on social media. And at the end, they gave what they were supposed to give. So definitely, I would recommend, if you're doing pop art nail designs, using bright colors. You can do whatever colors you want, but bright colors really make this thing pop. And I'm gonna go in with one coat of each color, cure for 60 seconds, and then another coat, cure for 60 seconds, and then we'll get into our very, very simple design. So I'm gonna be taking my black striper by Beetles and I'm going to outline all the nails. So a simple outline will do. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just outline the ish out of your nail. I'm going to go through with that with all the nails, and then once I finish all the outlines, I am going to cure that for 60 seconds and then add just a little bit of detail. And I also notice with these designs too, you don't have to do a lot. Honestly, what makes this pop is the placement of your lines and the mat. When I figured that, I was like, wow, okay, yeah, this is like really easy. So yeah, the placement of your lines and the mat. Just think of, how should I put it? Think of a comic book, and when you see the words or certain designs when it comes to kaplow or wow or pow, and it's always like outlined in black and white. Yeah, that's what I thought about, and it worked. So after I'm done doing these outlines, I'm going to show you how I placed my lines on these nails. So I decided to put my lines close to the edges. It gives that pop look or that cartoon look. And like I said, when you do these placements, think of a comic strip or a comic book and how their lines are always on top of other lines, you know? And then I ended up going in with some white for some contrast of color and some depth. And I just put my white on top of the black, because like I said, in the comic books, they are, it's got an outline on top of outline, but they're bold outlines. So that's what I ended up doing for this design. And that was it. A little went a long way, I'm telling you. Like, you don't have to go overboard. This is very, very simple. And then after this, we're going to add our mat and we're going to look at the finished product. And this is the finished look, guys. Look how poppy arty it is. Yes, like I said, it came out so cool. Came out trippy like it was supposed to. It gave what it was supposed to give, I'm telling you. I will be selling these on my Etsy shop, so make sure you click those links below in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video. Tell a friend if you want to do some simple pop art nail designs. And until next time, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for your support. Thank you for your comments. And I will see you next time. Bye.